Hi, my name is Tue Nguyen. I'm chef and owner of Didi, and we're going to be cooking some of my favorite dishes today. I was born in Vietnam. I grew up there until I was 8 years old. When my family moved to America, I started to pay more attention to what my mom was making. I always saw these iconic red caps from Lee Kum Kee. I grew up eating really delicious food. I wanted to learn more about it. I shared my first ever recipe video. It was a fried rice video. It's just Lee Kum Kee soy sauce and sriracha. That was when I was like, okay, well, I need to stick to making cooking videos because people really enjoyed it. I wanted to have people try my food in real life. So then I started hosting pop-ups. And that was when I opened up my first restaurant in Didi. When people reach out, it's like, oh, what are your favorite things that you like to cook? I always say my shaky beef. It is guaranteed foolproof to be delicious. The three main sauces that I use in this recipe is Lee Kum Kee's soy sauce, oyster sauce, and sriracha. I feel like people have this misconception that Asian food is scary, but it's not. It just tastes really complex. Oh my god. And Lee Kum Kee really does such a great job at bottling these sauces to where it feels so easy to just cook. I hope that you enjoyed my story. I would love to hear yours. Please share it by using the hashtag flavors of AAPI.